Hey, it's day 8.
Arts Workfly. So today I'm going to draw Dunn's River Falls in Jamaica using the whiteout or the corrector pen. It's the first time doing something like this, and I must say that using the corrector pen, it was not hard, but squeezing for a long time hurt my fingers. Using the corrector pen was taking a while, so I decided to switch to using the brush corrector. What is called it? Correction fluid. But it was drying too fast, so I then had to switch back to the pen. And honestly, as I made my way through, I was rethinking my decision on making this artwork. Drawing so much lines was getting really annoying for me. But on the way, I picked up some knowledge on how to use the corrector pen, therefore can transfer that information to using the pen. So all was not lost. Is that I should have left some more dark areas rather than using the white out over it. And guys, whatever I learn doing these videos, I will share them with you soon and very soon. I have a plan for this channel. You just have to subscribe and stay tuned. Let me just take the time out to say thank you guys for subscribing. I really appreciate it. Thank you so much. Guys, you can comment down below and tell me what you think about my videos. You can also comment down below and tell me what videos you want to see for Inktober, because I'm going until October the 31st. Hopefully I do not miss a day, but we will see. So like, share, comment and subscribe and hit the bell so you can always know when I upload. Be sure to watch my next video coming up. Please remember to like, share, comment, subscribe and hit the bell so you can always know when I upload.